getting to safety. Now, the first need is obviously search and rescue, because throughout the process you are on your own, and these are mainly sort of illegal ways, or the ways that are not pretty obvious. So you have to cross a border, you have to go through the hills, or you have to go through the sea, for example, with a boat. And as you can see, it's a famous photo of that young kid from Syria who was drowned and then found on the beach in Turkey because the search and rescue failed, essentially. And that was that's a general concern for especially people who use these ways, to figure out a way that we could help them to secure them where they need it. So it's obviously the number one issue, because it's a matter of life and death. Then obviously health. Once they get to somewhere, you want to provide them with the health, you want to help them with the food, for example, because they may not have with themselves, they only carry a backpack and they don't have everything. And there needs to be somebody who can provide them with food along the way. And another thing that you should remember is exactly the idea that these needs need to be fulfilled in the context of a political situation or cultural situation. So it's not in vacuum, and it's always in combination with sensitivities around it. So another example is that certain governments, they decided to use closed camps. So when people started to cross, they would put people in the closed camps and would not even let the humanitarians to go and care for them, to provide food. So even in Europe, in the EU. So then you need to figure out a way to deal with that situation as a humanitarian. So this is, you're not only caring about the immediate needs, but you put them in the context of the political and or other sensitivities that you have to care about, and then design a solution with that basis.